सुप्रभात बच्चों, नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन। कैसे हो आप सब? आप सब लोगों ने क्लास वर्क नोटबुक लिख लिया? लेसन नंबर 4, चांद से थोड़ी सी गप्पे। हैव यू ऑल कंप्लीटेड द क्लास वर्क नोटबुक ऑफ चांद से थोड़ी सी गप्पे? Okay, so children, please complete your classwork notebook. Don't keep pending. So whenever whatever classwork notebook I am giving, please go through the classwork notebook and learn the question and answers, everything. Okay, so today we are going to see the lesson number 5, that is अक्षरों का महत्व। आज हम लोग देखने जा रहे हैं ये जो पार्ट 5 है, अक्षरों का महत्व। What is meant by अक्षरों का महत्व? The importance of the letters. Okay, so if the letters were not found now, so there is no history for us. So here in this lesson, so how much struggle they did to find the letters. Before that letters and script, it was not there. How the peoples they were communicated with each other, and that before peoples how they came to knew about their history. So that one everything it will not be there. Okay, so when they had started writing the letters, at that time only our history was started to write. So now in this our today's generation, they are sitting and reading their history now. So because of the writing, because of the script, because of the letters only, today we knew the history about that our ancestors. Okay children, so come we'll see the lesson अक्षरों का महत्व। तो ये जो पहला हम लोग लेखक के बारे में देखते हैं, फर्स्ट विल सी द who is the writer of this lesson. After that we'll see the lesson hard words and the next explanation. So ये जो अक्षरों का महत्व है, इनके जो लेखक है, लेखक का नाम है गुणाकार मूले. So he is a गुणाकार मूले. So his name, he is a writer, his name was गुणाकर मूले. Okay, he was born 3rd January 1935. So 3 जनवरी 1935 को इनका जन्म महाराष्ट्र के अमरावती जिले में हुआ था. सो ही वॉज बॉर्न इन महाराष्ट्र, अमरावती डिस्ट्रिक्ट ही वॉज बॉर्न. हिंदी में ही उनके करीब 4000 लेख और 35 किताबें छपी है. ओनली इन हिंदी लैंग्वेज ओनली, बिकॉज सी महाराष्ट्र मीन्स ही इज बेसिकली ए मराठी. ओके, सो even though his books 4000 above books were उनके 4000 लेख, so 4000 writings and the next 35 किताबें which means 35 books were printed. इतिहास हो या संस्कृति, if we are taking any history book or otherwise if we are taking any संस्कृत, मैथ्स, गणित, विज्ञान, साइंस, पुरातत्व which means history, समाज विज्ञान, सोशल, भूगर्भ, ज्योग्राफी, खगोल, भौतिक, नृतत्व हो या जीव विज्ञान, नेचुरल साइंस, सब पर उनका अद्भुत अधिकार था. सो ही इज हैविंग नॉलेज ऑफ द होल सब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, लाइक एज हिस्ट्री, संस्कृत, साइंस, सोशल, ओके, ज्योग्राफी and natural science, even the dance also he is having a knowledge. Okay, so he was died 16th October 2009. Okay, so here I was not written that the date. He was died on 16th October 2009. Okay, so the अक्षरों का महत्व, writer name is गुणाकर मूले. Okay children, now come we'll see the lesson. Before going to see the lesson, we'll see the शब्दार्थ of this lesson, new words. अक्षरों का महत्व, शब्दार्थ. पहला जो है तादाद. तादाद यानी संख्या, which means numbers we can call, digits also we can call. Okay, तादाद means numbers, digits and quantity also we can call. Here numbers. Second one is कल्पना. कल्पना means imaginary, अनुमान करना, imagination. Next, third one is अनादि. अनादि means जिसकी शुरुआत, from beginning. Okay. Next, fourth one सचमुच. वास्तव में, रियली, reality. Fifth one is auzar. Auzar means उपकरण, which means tools. Sixth one is कांसा. कांसा means तांबे और जस्ते को मिलाकर बनाने वाली धातु, which means the तांबा, silver and bronze will be there, no? Bronze and तांबा means wait, तांबा. So tama means that copper or brass also we can call. So here that copper and jaste, which means this is a zinc metal will be there, no? With that they are making that metal. Okay, that one is bronze metal only we are calling. So that one we are calling kansa in Hindi. Next, seventh one is bhav, which means vichar, which means our thoughts. Eighth one is sanket. Sanket yani chihna, which means the symbols or sign also we can call. So these are the meanings we are getting in this lesson. Okay children, so everyone repeat with me ma from first to तादाद, संख्या, कल्पना, अनुमान करना, अनादि, जिसकी शुरुआत, सचमुच, वास्तव में, औजार, उपकरण, कांसा, तांबे और जस्ते को मिलाकर बनने वाली धातु. Zinc and copper metal mixing and making that metal, that one is bronze metal, that one kansa we are calling. भाव, विचार, संकेत, चिन्ह. One more time. तादाद, संख्या, कल्पना, अनुमान करना, अनादि, जिसकी शुरुआत, सचमुच, वास्तव में, औजार, उपकरण, कांसा, तांबे और जस्ते को मिलाकर बनाने वाली धातु. भाव, विचार, संकेत, चिन्ह. Okay children, now come we'll see the lesson अक्षरों का महत्व. So this is a lesson अक्षरों का महत्व. This is a story about the letters. Okay, so this lesson is a story about the letters. अक्षरों की कहानी, story of the letters. ये पुस्तक अक्षरों से बनी है. So this book, if you are taking this lesson, or otherwise our Hindi book, that is Vasant, this one is made up of the letters. Not only these books, सारी पुस्तकें अक्षरों से बनी हैं. Whole books are it was made with the letters only. तरह तरह की पुस्तकें, so many varieties of books we are getting. So all the books are made with the letters. तरह तरह के अक्षर है. So if you are taking science, so different types of letters will be there. If you are taking maths, so in that different types of numbers, signs, everything will be there. And if you are taking social books, so in that also different letters will be there, which means so many books we are having, so many types of letters we are having. If we are taking Hindi book, Hindi script is there. If we are taking Arabic book, Arabic script will be there. If we are taking Urdu book, Urdu script will be there. If we are taking France book, that France language will be there. If we are taking Japanese book, Japan book, now that one is having Japan language. So like there so many types of books are there. So all the books are made with the different types of the letters only. दुनिया में अब तक करोड़ों पुस्तकें छप चुकी है. In the whole world, crores of books were printed. हजारों पुस्तकें रोज छपती है. So thousands of books are printing every day. तरह तरह के अक्षरों में हजारों की तादाद में रोज ही समाचार पत्र छपते रहते हैं. सो तरह तरह के अक्षरों में, सो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द स्क्रिप्ट्स, हजारों की तादाद, विच मीन्स थाउजेंड नंबर्स ऑफ द पेपर्स, न्यूज़पेपर्स, डेली पेपर्स आर प्रिंटिंग. इन सब के मूल में है अक्षर. सो दिस एंड ऑल इट इज द बेसिक ऑफ द लेटर्स ओनली. हम कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकते हैं कि यदि आदमी अक्षरों को ना जानता तो आज इस दुनिया का क्या हाल होता. सो वी कैन इमेजिन, सपोज इफ द लेटर्स आर नॉट देयर, इफ द स्क्रिप्ट वाज नॉट देयर ना, देन हाउ दिस वर्ल्ड इज गोइंग टू रन. वी वर unable to imagine that thing. Why? Because the letters are there. So further two people are studying, I am also reading. Okay, so what and all the things are happening in this whole world. So we can see the news. So we can read the newspaper also. So that's why here it is telling we can't able to imagine without the letters in the human life. कोई कह सकता है कि हम अक्षरों को अनादिकाल से जानते हैं. सो एनीवन कैन टेल we knew these letters from first onwards only, which means when the world was born, when the human beings were born, at that time onwards the letters we knew. Like that anyone can able to say? No. अक्षरों का ज्ञान हमें किसी ईश्वर से मिला है. So this अक्षर knowledge, this letter knowledge from any god had given that knowledge about the letters. Have you all understanding, children? Yes. Now see the picture. Yes. Now come, we'll see the next page. शिकार का दृश्य. So here they are hunting. So here animal is there. Okay. पुराने जमाने के लोग सचमुच ही सोचते थे कि अक्षरों की खोज ईश्वर ने की है. So olden people, ancestors, our ancestors, really they thought this knowledge about the knowledge of the letters only God only presented us, God only gifted us. पर आज हम जानते हैं कि अक्षरों की खोज किसी ईश्वर ने नहीं बल्कि स्वयं आदमी ने की है. बट इन दिस जनरेशन वी केम टू न्यू दैट थिंग. सो लेटर्स वी आर ओनली फाउंड. ओके, वी आर ओनली implemented that thing and we are only created that language. Like that this generation they knew that thing, but not only that that God was not gifted. So we are only found this thing, we are only discovered the letters. Like that this generation they are thinking. अब तो हम यह भी जानते हैं कि किन अक्षरों की खोज किस देश में किस समय हुई. Not only that thing, now we knew the information about that letters. Suppose if we are taking the Roman letters, or otherwise our Hindi letters, or otherwise Tamil letters, or otherwise Malayali letters. So when it was invented, at what time that in which generation, or otherwise at what time that letters are introduced in that language. So that information also we knew. हमारी यह धरती लगभग 5 अरब साल पुरानी है. एक्चुअली आवर धरती, विच मीन्स आवर अर्थ इज 5 बिलियन ईयर्स ओल्ड. 2-3 अरब साल तक इस धरती पर किसी प्रकार के जीव जंतु नहीं थे. एक्चुअली 2 or 3 billion years up to that much on earth planet there is no living thing. There is not at all any living thing is there up to 2 to 3 billion years. ओके, फिर करोड़ों साल तक केवल जानवरों और वनस्पतियों का ही इस धरती पर राज्य रहा. सो आफ्टर दैट सो मेनी क्रॉस ऑफ इयर्स, ओके, क्रॉस ऑफ इयर्स ओनली animals and forest. Here vanaspati means deep forest will be there, no, like Amazon forest only are there on this planet. आदमी ने इस धरती पर कोई 5 लाख साल पहले जन्म लिया. सो ह्यूमन बीइंग्स ऑन दिस प्लैनेट 5 lakh years before only they started living on this planet. धीरे धीरे उसका विकास हुआ. स्लोली स्लोली they were developed. कोई 10,000 साल पहले आदमी ने गांवों को बसाना शुरू किया. So after that 10,000 years after that only the human beings they created small villages. In that they started living, like that they had started living. At first one small village they had created, in that they started living. वह खेती करने लगे. So after that they started doing the farming. वे पत्थरों के औजारों का इस्तेमाल करता था. So before that there is no tools at the time. They use the stone. They started making the tools with the stone. Okay, so that the tools they started using in the farming. फिर उसने तांबे और कांसे के भी औजार बनाए. आफ्टर दैट ओनली दैट कॉपर एंड द नेक्स्ट ब्रॉन्ज मेटल्स टूल्स दे स्टार्टेड मेकिंग. आफ्टर दैट दे स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इन द फार्मिंग. प्रागैतिहासिक मानव ने सबसे पहले चित्रों के जरिए अपने भाव व्यक्त किए. प्रागैतिहासिक which means before the history. Okay, before the history, the human beings at first how they were communicated, na? What are the feelings, what they want to communicate with others, na? At first they started making drawing on the walls, drawing on the stones, like that. First draw चित्रों के जरिए अपना भाव व्यक्त किया. So what are the what they want to communicate with the others, no? They started drawing the pictures on the walls, like that. Before the history was started, at the time that people had did like this, they were communicated with the pictures only. जैसे पशुओं, पक्षियों, आदमियों आदि के चित्र, they had used like as animal pictures, bird pictures and human pictures. इन चित्र संकेतों से बाद में भाव संकेत अस्तित्व में आया. आफ्टर दैट मेकिंग दिस चित्र drawing with the drawing communication, after that they had expressed their feelings, which means if they want to call, so like that, if they are doing clap, if they are making some noises at the time, the other people he came to know, yes, he is communicating something, like that they started making noises. जैसे एक छोटे वृत्त के चहुं और किरणों की द्योतक रेखाएं खींचने पर वह सूर्य का चित्र बन जाता था. So how they were started communicating, if they want to show the sun picture, na? So at first they started drawing one small circle. After that, like as a rays they started, and the next they made the picture sun picture. बाद में यही चित्र ताप या धूप का द्योतक बन गया. So that picture only, now if we are seeing in the news also, they are showing the weather condition at that time, they are using the sun. Okay, after that for sunlight it is having, na? So sun picture, if the cloudy it is there, na? Cloud pictures they are using, no? So like that they started using for heatness or otherwise for getting the sunlight, they started making the sun. इस तरह अनेक भाव संकेत अस्तित्व में आया. So like that they were used the pictures. Okay, they were used that sun pictures. Like that they started communicating with each other. Have you all understanding, no children? तब जाकर काफी बाद में आदमी ने अक्षरों की खोज की. After that so many years happened. After that only the human beings they were invented the letters. अक्षरों की खोज के सिलसिले को शुरू हुए मुश्किल से 6,000 साल हुए हैं. Very hardly when it was invented, na? So only very hardly 6,000 years only it was happened. It was happened for inventing the letters. केवल 6,000 साल, only 6,000 years only it was happened. So मध्य अमेरिका के ऑन्जीबा आदिवासियों के चित्र. So middle America they were that Adivasi will be there, no? So they had communicated with these pictures, like that they had started. Next, अक्षरों की खोज के साथ एक नया युग की शुरुआत हुई. So with these letters only सो अक्षरों की खोज के साथ एक नया युग की शुरुआत हुई. सो विद दिस लेटर इन्वेंशन ऑफ द लेटर्स वन न्यू period was started. Okay, here युग means period. One new period was started. आदमी अपने विचार और अपने हिसाब किताब को लिखकर रखने लगा. So at that time onwards, when the letters were invented, at that time onwards, the humans they had started writing their feelings and the next what they want to communicate with the others or otherwise what is the calculations, everything they had started writing. तब से मानव को सभ्य कहा जाने लगा. So at that time onwards they had called to the humans सभ्य. So at the time onwards, they had called the humans to like as a gentleman. Okay, Sabhya means gentleman or otherwise decent. They had called. आदमी ने जब से लिखना शुरू किया तब से इतिहास आरंभ हुआ. So the humans when they had started writing at the time onwards only our इतिहास. So our history was started. किसी भी कौम या देश का इतिहास तब से शुरू होता है जब से आदमी के लिखे हुए लेख मिलने लग जाते हैं. सो इफ वी आर टेकिंग एनी जनरेशन और अदरवाइज एनी कंट्रीज हिस्ट्री, हाउ वी कैन नो ना. सो व्हेन दे हैड स्टार्टेड राइटिंग एट दैट टाइम ऑनवर्ड्स ओनली वी न्यू अबाउट द हिस्ट्री ऑफ दैट कंट्री और अदरवाइज हिस्ट्री ऑफ दैट जनरेशन. इस प्रकार इतिहास को शुरू हुए मुश्किल से 6000 साल हुए हैं. सो लाइक दिस वे ओनली दिस हिस्ट्री was started. Nearly hardly it became 6000 years. उसके पहले के काल को प्रागैतिहासिक काल यानी इतिहास के पहले का काल कहते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर कॉलिंग इन हिंदी दिस वन इज प्रागैतिहासिक काल, व्हिच मींस देयर इज नो हिस्ट्री एट दैट टाइम. ओके, सो फॉर दैट ओनली वी आर कॉलिंग बिफोर द हिस्ट्री, लाइक दैट वी आर कॉलिंग. अतः हम देखते हैं कि यदि आदमी अक्षरों की खोज नहीं करता तो आज हम इतिहास को न जान पाते. सो नॉट ओनली दैट थिंग. सो इफ द ह्यूमंस आर they were not invented the letters now, so we don't know about the history. Okay, so we were unable to know the history. हम यह ना जान पाते कि पिछले कुछ हजारों सालों में आदमी किस प्रकार रहता था. So it is very difficult to knew that before 1000 years back how the humans they were lived, what the things they had used. So if the letters are not there means it is very difficult to us to find how they were lived at that time, what are the things they had used, what are the tools they had used, how they did form. So we were unable to know this thing. क्या क्या सोचता था. So at the time what they had thought, कौन कौन राजा हुए इत्यादि. So who became the kings, emperors, that one also we don't know if suppose the letters are not there now. Okay children, so next अक्षरों की खोज मनुष्य की सबसे बड़ी खोज है. सो दिस इन्वेंशन ऑफ द लेटर्स इज द वन बिग सक्सेस ऑफ द ह्यूमंस. अक्षरों की खोज करने के बाद ही मनुष्य अपने विचारों को लिखकर रखने लगा. सो व्हेन द लेटर्स आर स्टार्टेड इन्वेंटिंग एट दैट टाइम ऑनवर्ड्स द मनुष्य द ह्यूमंस वर स्टार्टेड राइटिंग देयर फीलिंग्स और अदरवाइज देयर एक्सप्रेशंस व्हाट दे वांट टू से टू अस. इस प्रकार एक पीढ़ी के ज्ञान का इस्तेमाल दूसरी पीढ़ी करने लगेगी. सो लाइक दिस वे द ओल्ड जनरेशन व्हाट दे हैड डिड दैट वी आर कीपिंग दैट नॉलेज एंड वी आर यूजिंग द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. सो टुडेज जनरेशन दे आर राइटिंग so that it is going to become to the next generation history. So by reading that things they can follow and they can invent or otherwise they can they can modify and they can use in their generation. ओके, अक्षरों की खोज करने के बाद पिछले 6000 सालों में मानव जाति का तेजी से विकास हुआ. आफ्टर इन्वेंशन ऑफ द लेटर्स आफ्टर दैट 6000 years happened, humans are started developing. Okay, so they were developed a lot from before 6000 years to till today. That the humans are developed. ये महत्व ये महत्व है अक्षरों का. सो दिस इम्पोर्टेंस इज ओनली फॉर लेटर्स ओनली, और उनसे बनी हुई लिपियों का. सो नॉट ओनली दैट लेटर्स विद दैट स्क्रिप्ट ऑल्सो. सो द लेटर्स वॉज मेड विद द स्क्रिप्ट. अतः हम सबको अक्षरों की कहानी मालूम होनी चाहिए. सो डेफिनेटली ईच एंड एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग हैज टू नो अबाउट द लेटर स्टोरी. आज जिन अक्षरों को हम पढ़ते हैं या लिखते हैं वे कब बनाए गए हैं. सो व्हाट आर द लेटर्स वी आर हैविंग इफ वी आर टेकिंग हिंदी स्क्रिप्ट, or otherwise if we are taking Tamil script, Malayalam script, or otherwise Hindi script, English script. Okay, so if we are taking all the script now, so we have to know the history. So when that letters were invented, okay, कहाँ बने और किसने बनाए. सो हु फाउंड दिस लेटर्स एंड where they were found these letters, ये जानना जरूरी है भी. So this one is very important to know about the history of the letters also. Okay, so today I am giving one activity. Children, please go through the net and check. So the scripts, so Hindi script, if we are taking Tamil script, or otherwise Malayalam script, or Kannada script, Telugu script, if we are taking all these scripts, so when they had invented these letters, when they had started writing, which means a script, when they had started writing, so everything, please take the information. So we are having online session on Tuesday, so at the time we'll discuss that thing. Okay, we'll see. Okay children, have you all enjoyed? Yes. So please go through the net and read about the information, different scripts. So your mother tongues are different, I knew that thing. So that mother tongues of the script, when they had invented, how they had invented, where they had invented, please go through the net and take the information, and we'll discuss when we are having online session. So we are having online session on Tuesday 3 to 4 p.m. Everybody be ready. So we are having group. In that group also I am going to post the link. Okay children. So please join at 3 p.m. Okay children. Thank you all of you. धन्यवाद बच्चों. हम लोग मिलते हैं अगले सेशन में.